We are ready to continue our discussion about some important options in Windows 10, ease of access. Here we go. Okay, we go to Control Panel, ease of access, and then ease of access center. You have a few options over here. You can have an on-screen keyboard. You can set up high contrast and so on. Of course, if you have some disabilities, this is a good thing, but sometimes an on-screen keyboard is handy if you don't have a real keyboard in front of you. Let's say your keyboard is dead. Actually, it happened to me yesterday. I have a wireless keyboard and it just died. I couldn't log in into my desktop PC. Well, no problem. Even if you log in, when you log in, you will get an option to start all these features. So if you try and log in and your keyboard is off, no problem, you can start an on-screen keyboard and type your password. A really handy option. And of course, some additional options like high contrast, magnifier, and so on. Now, something that is really interesting and allows you to play with many different options is File Explorer. Of course, you know, you use File Explorer to access your documents, downloads, pictures, videos, and so on. Please note we have frequent folders. You have quick access options here, so you can modify these options and pin folders that you use every day. That's fine, but we go for view, and then we have options over here. We go for change folder and search options. Here in view, a few things that I want to show you. First of all, this is a really cool option. Show hidden files, folders, and drives. Sometimes, if you want to access a file, it is going to be hidden. And if you enable this option, show hidden files, you can access it easily. Another cool option is over here, hide extensions for known file types. If you have a document, let's say I will cancel it, and I will go to Documents, and I will create a new document. Right click, New, Text Document. Okay, let's create a new text document and call it Test. Please note, Windows is going to show test, and there is no test.txt, because Windows is assuming it is a well-known file, so there is no need to show you the extension of this file. Sometimes it's handy to have it enabled, and if you go to View again, you will say, no, you know what? I want to show extensions for all files. Okay, and we click OK. And please note, now we have test.txt, a really handy option that allows you to view your extensions for files that Windows is aware of and will not show you, like txt, doc, PDF, and so on. We have to go back, because over here, it's not enough to know we have options, but we have some additional features that I'm pretty sure you're aware of, especially for pictures. You can show details, which means you show date and the size of a file. If you have pictures and video clips, it makes sense to go for large or medium icons. You can see what's inside, but details allows you to see the modify, the date, modify, type, size, and so on. What's more, when you right click, you can add some columns here. Let's say you want to see when this file was created. Okay, no problem, you can see it now. It was created here and modified over here. Yeah. When we go to view again, you will see you can sort by, okay, and decide how you can sort your files. And three additional options: item checkboxes, name extensions, and hidden items. Everything can be tweaked from options, but a lot of things can be accessed from here. so you don't have to dig in and change it somewhere else. I hope you're okay with all these options, and I hope that you've learned a couple of new tricks and things that will make your life easier, and we're ready to move on.